Defiance this evening from the JTA President, Leighton Johnson, following a series of worrying incidents involving students and educators. But the association's leader says he will not focus on the negatives of the past 3 weeks, but is instead seeking to get members to redouble their efforts to make schools the beacons of hope amid the troubles in the country. The details in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
From sexual offences to violent attacks and poor academic performances, the education system has faced its fair share of challenges recently. But the JTA President, Leighton Johnson, said this is not the time for educators to give in.
You have the opportunity of creating safe and inclusive environments where learning can thrive. This is what teachers do. Colleagues, it may be daunting, but you have the opportunity to make a real difference in the lives of your students.
In fact, he argues that despite the seeming crisis in the sector and the country by extension, most schools remain an oasis for some stakeholders.
The teachers, in some regards, as well as some students, are afraid of the violence that seems to be promoted in our schools. But I guarantee you, my colleagues, that as best as possible, the school continues to be the single most stable socializing agency that provides a source of hope, provides a system of structure for our students.
As for those teachers considering migrating or moving to other sectors for work, this advice:
there is nothing more significant than impacting future generations in a positive way. So we are not going to highlight and focus.
That being said, he called on the Education Ministry and other local stakeholders to give more assistance to those schools dealing with challenges.
Teachers need support in maintaining discipline in the classroom. Parents need to get help with parenting skills, and I can indicate that schools are prepared to help in this regard.
The association's president was addressing newly trained teachers in the JTA's South Central region in Manchester. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.